Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the launch of Suzuki's latest street sports bike.
Welcome everyone to the Gixxer Experience!
And now, here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the Gixxer SF155.
For our naked, it is at 53 kilometers per liter. And for our SF, it is at 50 kilometers per liter. And that is based on the World Motorcycle Test Site.
I would suggest itong Gixxer 155 maganda gamitin dito sa Manila since matraffic and magaan siya.
Magaan, para ka lang naka-underbone, sarap dalhin nito. Para ka nga lang naka-scooter eh.
Riding position, perfect na perfect to. And yung height niya, perfect din sa mga hindi ganun kataas na mga babae.
Ramdam mo talaga yung gaan, yung dali niyang i-maneuver dito. And of course, the braking power, ramdam na ramdam mo.
Maganda yung handling, it's very nimble, ang sarap iliko.
Sobrang sulit na. And Suzuki pa to. So guys, para sa akin, thumbs up talaga ang Suzuki Gixxer.
Sa first time ko po na paggamit ng Gixxer is para po siya sports bike na napaka-comfortable gamitin. Ayos po siya gamitin at affordable din ang kanyang price.
The 155 and 250 na Gixxer are definitely way top of my expectations.
Congratulations Suzuki sa launch ng new Gixxer SF155. So ngayon kompleto na yung Gixxer series natin.
We introduced this Gixxer SF155 with this affordable price to be a pioneer to this country.
Join us in this exhilarating journey.
I'm sure all of you are already excited to see Gixxer motorcycles. So thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Thank you.